Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Prachi Singh, and today this is my first Nykaa haul. I'm super excited for it. So, few days back there was sale ongoing on Nykaa, the hot pink sale, and I've got quite a few products, and that's why I've decided to share it with you guys. So, here are the products which I've got. So most of them are makeup products. So I've been ordering from Nykaa since past 2 years. I really have good experience with them. I get all the deliveries on time, as well as Nykaa is only one-stop solution for makeup and skincare. That's why I like it. And without further ado, let's quickly start the video. So my first product is this foundation. I've been wanting to order this foundation since really long. This one is from L'Oreal Paris, and this is their Infallible Pro Matte. This has demi matte finish, air light and oil free. I haven't tried it yet, but this is my exact shade. So there are quite a few makeup products in this haul, and I've decided to do a different video wherein I'll try it on in front of you guys. So this one retails for 750 rupees and I got it for 488, so it was a really good deal. I'm in the shade 108 Caramel Beige. It comes with this sleek packaging. This is 30 ml of product. This is all about this foundation. We'll try it in my next video and we'll show you how it looks on my skin. So let's move on to my next product. My next product is this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I'm in the shade medium 30. So I've seen many YouTubers, they talk about this powder, and that's why I've ordered it. Let's see. I think this is my exact shade match. This is 30 medium deep. It comes with this sturdy packaging. The packaging is really good and good quality, and once you open it, there's a cover here, so there won't be any fallout from this powder. This powder retails for 695 rupees and I've got it for 521, so this is a really good deal. Now move on to my next product. So my third product for this video is this eyeshadow palette. This is by Nykaa and it's Smoky at 8. It comes in this beautiful packaging, and once you open it, the packaging is really sturdy. And once you open it, look at the shades. It has all beautiful shades. I haven't tried it yet, but let's see. Okay, it comes with this brush. Let me show you few shades actually. And this one. Okay, so this is a beautiful one. Look at the shades. Yeah, so these are beautiful, very nice. I will use this one in my next video to show you how it looks, but I like the pigmentation. It is really looking very beautiful. This one retails for 599 rupees, the MRP, and I got it for 461 or 467. I like the packaging, I like the pigmentation, and will show you in my next video. Moving on to my next product, this is the lipstick by Nykaa. This is from their So Matte collection. I already own one lipstick from that collection, and this comes with this packaging. This one retails for around 399 rupees and I got it for 239. So this comes in this bullet form and it's in the shade 47 Bare Minimum. This is this mauvey pink color. We'll use it and then we'll review this. Moving on to my next product, and this is again a lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick by Lakme. This is from their Forever Matte collection and I'm in the shade Mauve Ecstasy. This is a very beautiful shade. I tried it once. This one retails for 295 rupees and I got it in the same price as there was no discount. It has this beautiful mauve color, and once it is dry it turns to matte. Okay, I like the packaging, I like this product. This one is one of the most affordable liquid lipsticks, and I like the shade as well. So now move on to my next product, and this one is a sanitizer. Yes, I have ordered a hand sanitizer. This one is by Nykaa and it retails for 50 rupees. So as we all need sanitizers nowadays, that's why I ordered it. It contains 70% alcohol. And now I've ordered quite a few nail paints as well because there was off. So I have ordered these two shades, and these two shades are both from Faces Canada. I've used their nail paints earlier as well, and I really like them. They stay for 2-3 days at least on our nails without budging. And then this one retails for 109 rupees and I got it for 82. This one is in the shade Floral Dream, and the other one is in the shade Purple Rain. I've ordered one more nail paint, and this one is by Maybelline. This one actually retails for 150 rupees and there was 50% discount, so I got it for 75 rupees. And this one is in the shade Passionate Plum. Okay, now moving on to my next product. It's a pen liner. Yes, I've been wanting to order a pen liner, and this one is by Maybelline. This is their Line Tattoo High Impact pen liner. It has a very beautiful sleek packaging which is really easy to apply. It comes with this tip. I'll draw a line. Okay, so it's quite dark. So this liner retails for 550 rupees. The MRP is 550, but I've got it for 413. The next product is this lip balm. This is a lip balm by Blue Heaven Cosmetics. This comes in this cute packaging. I've used the other one, the blue one, and this time I've ordered this pink one. I really like their lip balms. This one retails for 85 rupees and I got it for 85 only. I'll show you. Okay, this is the actual product and it comes in this cute pink warm type. So I really like this lip balm. We'll soon make a series wherein I will share my top 5 favorite lip balm. My last product for this video is by ProArt. This is an eyeshadow blending brush. ProArt brushes are really good quality, and this one retails for 375 rupees, whereas I got it for 338. It comes with this basic packaging. The bristles are really soft. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you like all the products, and name of all the products will be mentioned in the description box below, so please don't forget to check it out. And that's all for this video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please hit like, share, subscribe, comment down below what else you want to see next on my channel, and we'll be back.